Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use dark mode in Google Sheets. Okay, to enable dark mode on Google Sheets, this is what you can do. First off, you need to know a lot of things. Currently, Google Sheets on the web version does not have an official dark mode setting. However, you can enable dark mode on the desktop using any of the methods I'm definitely going to show you. First things first, install a dark mode extension. You need to open your browser in a new tab. You can use Google Chrome or Firefox and go to the extension store. Then search for a dark mode extension like Dark Reader or Night Eye or any similar tool and install the extension on your browser. Once the extension is installed, enable dark mode by clicking the extension icon on the browser toolbar, and the extension will apply a dark theme to all websites, including Google Sheets. You can also use the built-in dark mode in Chrome. So if you're using, let's say we're using that, so I'm just heading over to the plus icon and I'm just going to click on Chrome, Web Store, head over to Web Store, search for Dark Reader. That's here. Select Add to Chrome, add extension. That's already adding up. So here you go. Dark Reader has been activated and it's part of my extensions now. So you see Dark Reader. So click on that icon there and that's Dark Reader. So I'm going over to my Google Sheets and you see it's now on dark mode. So you can also use the, like I said, the Chrome built-in dark mode, right? So if you're using Google Chrome, you can enable forced dark mode using an experimental feature. So in the Chrome address bar type, go ahead and click on Chrome column // flags and press enter. So in the search flash box, go ahead and type on dark mode and you see an option called forced dark mode for web content. Set it to enable from the drop down menu. Click on the relaunch button at the bottom of the screen to apply changes, and this will force Google Sheets and all web pages to display in dark mode. So we can go ahead and try that out. So Chrome and column, then you go / and flags, press enter. So they say temporary unexpire. So let's see if we're going to find flags. In case you see it, please go ahead and tap me. Okay, so search flag box. So here, search flags. Let's head over to the search flag box. Go ahead and type dark mode. Let's go ahead and type dark mode. So auto dark mode for web contents. Go ahead and click on this default, and over here go ahead and click on enabled from this drop down. And once you click on enabled, that's it. Then you're gonna have to relaunch right here at the bottom corner, and once you click on relaunch, that's it. It will force Google Sheets and all web pages to display in dark mode. I don't want that for my PC, so I'm just going to go back to that. So these are the two ways that you can, of course, use to enable dark mode on Google Sheets, either in your desktop, right? Pretty much your desktop. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.